What are you doing, honey? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah? And listen to my favorite Sing Mom on my mobile. Yeah. Look at how cute my outfit is today. Yeah. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Yeah. Oh, really? Are they talking to you? Are the animals talking to you? You love to watch them, don't you? Yeah. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Yeah. So I just had a bath and I'm all in my pretty outfit. My jean jumper and my tights from Granby. Yes. Yes. Okay. Say bye.